Hey friends, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. Today's video is a better late than never Halloween entryway decor. I know it's late in the game, but I was really wanting to share all of my Halloween decorations that I did inside my home. So let's go ahead and get started with my entryway. Okay friends, to get started, I am cleaning this mirror that I hung here. This was in our living room before, but it's now in the entryway and it totally opens it up. It's so small down here, so I like that it makes it look a little bigger. And I'm gonna go ahead and hang some of these little 3D bats. All right, so I actually changed my mind on how I was gonna put the bats up because I remember this idea I saw on Instagram. You know how I hang usually like some stars, like paper stars that I make up from my ceiling here for Christmas? Well, I thought, why don't I hang up some bats? I have some fishing line here. I don't know how long I'm gonna cut it yet. Let's see. Just gonna play with it. Get some scissors. Okay, and so all you need is like tape, clear tape, and your bats, and some fishing line. And I'm gonna go ahead and tape the bat, like the center part of the bat. Let's see, about this low from the ceiling. Okay, to the fishing line. Okay, next time get a smaller piece of tape. Let's do that again. So very small piece of tape. Let's see, tape it, tape it, tape it. All right. Okay. So I have, okay, my bat taped to my twine. I think I did it too close. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and tape a few different size bats to this fishing line and do it like that. And then one down here, so forth and so on. It's like hang these up from the ceiling. I really wanted to decorate the entryway because we have so much going on outside of our house that I don't want to disappoint my trick-or-treaters when we open up the doors and they don't see any Halloween stuff inside. So here I am, you know, trying to make everybody happy and spookify our entryway. Okay, you'll have to let me know what you think. I figured when the door opens and closes, like it'll, let's see, let's try it out. It'll kind of move them, but looks like it's not that case, but I didn't open it all the way. But yeah, I thought it would be a little different. I don't know. I might still hang them up on the wall when I'm done. I'm not 100% sold on it yet, so let me know what you think. All right, so you guys, I thought I'd try something new for this year. I got a black Christmas tree at Walmart. It was only $30. It's 4 feet tall. I thought I'd make a little Halloween tree and then dual purpose. I can use this later on for Christmas, you know, add different like red and white and colors like that that'll really stand out against the black. But I thought it'd be so much fun to put a little tree here by our entryway. All right guys, pardon my look. I don't look so great right now, but this tree's gonna be looking good, so very excited about that. I got most of my ornaments, I think all of them actually, at Dollar Tree, because you know, we're on a budget here. So let's check out this tree, fluff it up, and then I'll show you all the decorations I have for it. So I'm super curious, have you ever put up a Halloween tree? I feel like this is becoming more and more trendy, and so, you know, I wanted to jump on the bandwagon and make it even more festive, and this really just puts me in the Christmas mood, to be honest with you. So I can't wait to decorate my Christmas tree coming up soon, but this will do for now. I think I may actually add, because I don't know, I feel like there's not enough lights over here. I may add some Halloween colored lights. I think I have some right here. And see, you know, if that gives me more of the effect I'm looking for. So let's try it out. her to try. More lights is never a bad thing. These lights definitely gave it that pop of color that I wanted, and because some of them twinkle, it gives it movement and makes it extra fun and spooky. All right, here's what we got. We got some of these decorative balls. Everything here is from Dollar Tree. The picks. The only thing that isn't from Dollar Tree is these black and white striped balls. These are actually from Walmart Christmas section, but I thought they were super cute. But yeah, some picks and everything. We'll go ahead and add that. I have like a piece of ribbon here maybe that I can use. We'll see. And I love these little bendable skeletons. I'm gonna have fun with those. All right, so I actually did this on my friend's tree. I grabbed this mesh, okay, and I cut a strip here about, I don't know, like a foot long. And here, let me cut it and then I'll show you what I do with it. I really liked what it did. So cut that, and then you're gonna get your floral wire, which I use for Christmas a ton since I believe last year when I started following Gina Loves Christmas. I don't use hooks anymore. I just use this floral wire. If I could get it to unwind, that would be great. Here we go. Okay, so I get a piece about, let's see, about this long, so you know, like 8 inches or so. Okay, and I have my mesh, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pinch it right in the middle, gather it up, pinch it right in the middle, and tie my wire, floral wire, to it. Do a little twisty tie here. Okay, and there you go, a simple bow that you could put on your tree. I like to just put it in, wrap the wire around the branch once over, and then you can go ahead and shape it however you want. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that and put these balls up. I don't even know where to start. It's so exciting. Do any of you guys enjoy this as much as I do? I feel like I love decorating all these little trees. I mentioned earlier how I did my friend's tree, and it's because she did a Halloween tree for the first time this year. And so, you know, of course, I was there to, like, you know, see how hers turned out. Hers was in white and it came out so cute, but I was just so excited to help her decorate that as well. And it really got me going on getting mine done. And hopefully maybe I'll get you to decorate your own little Halloween tree. This was lots of fun. Okay, so for the ball ornaments, I'll show you if you haven't seen my Christmas way of doing this. I get my floral wire, run it through, and this is going to become my hook. You do one little twist here at the base, okay, and then you're basically going to wrap this around wherever you want it. I'm going to put it here, and then one wrap around, hide the rest in the back, and there you go. You got a secure ornament. It's not going anywhere. You don't see any ugly hooks or any, you know, string or anything like that. So, yay! This cute little tree topper is also from Dollar Tree. They have miniature trees that they have at the store at Dollar Tree. They're too small for my liking because, you know, I want a nice one here for the entryway, but it works. I added this pretty flower and then one of the bendable skeletons, and she's a girl. I decided this little skeleton's a girl and she's got her little flower there. And so, yeah, I'm trying to make her look all cute, so she's displaying her little Halloween tree. So now that the tree is done, I'm moving on to the other side of my entryway where my shoe cabinet is. And so I'm adding this like Gothic style cathedral window pane thing that I got at Kirkland's, along with my little bats painting also from Kirkland's. And you know, just more little skeletons. You guys, I'm obsessed with these little skeletons. And here's my Little Monsters Live Here sign. I've had this for years, and I get kind of sentimental about like thinking about the day that I won't put it up because I won't have little monsters, you know, little ones anymore. But as long as I have them, I'm gonna put it up, and I'll save it for maybe grandbabies one day. So anyway, I just added some twinkle lights here. So I'm gonna hang these little bats, and I got this is new. This is like Scotch wall safe tape. I thought I'd try this out. I put it behind every one of the little bats that I'm gonna put up. I thought it'd be cute to kind of, this was actually my friend's idea. She's like, oh look, you could do like a continuation of like the bats. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So these worked out pretty good. I actually do like this better than the ones that I put on the fishing line, but I thought I'd try something different. So it doesn't hurt to try new things. And I'm really liking that Scotch tape that I got because it doesn't leave like sticky residue on your walls. So definitely recommend that. And here I'm putting up some more decorations, more skeletons, a little boo sign. And here I'm putting this cloche that I got last year, and they have it again this year at Target, along with a little skull head. And this little guy is gonna be greeting our guests and telling them to please take their shoes off at the entryway. And here just adding a little pillow that I got from Target Bullseye section, and finishing it off with my jack-o'-lantern that I did a DIY on last year. I painted it, and I did like that whole, I don't know, you use cornstarch or flour or baking soda with paint, and you paint it to make it look more ceramic-y, I guess. But yeah, let's get spooky, guys. Here is all the decorations. And of course, you know I have to show you what it looks like at night. So I didn't do much other than this tier tray that I didn't get to show you how I decorated it, but these little spooky houses are some that I got at Target. Thought I'd show you, you know, a little sneak peek of what I have going on over here, because I did redo this room. But that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!